Today, I'd like to introduce you to LangClub's AI feedback session. This is an innovative new session that LangClub is introducing, where you can freely engage in English conversations and receive detailed feedback on your grammar, word uses, and areas for improvement after the session ends. To join a session, you must first reserve a session in advance on the website. When the session time arrives, click the Join button to enter. If you see the login screen, you will need to create an account first. You must create a new account specifically for AI feedback sessions, as your existing LangClub account will not work. After signing up, go to the session list and check the available session times. The session times are displayed based on your local time zone. Select the session you want to join and enter the room. Once you enter, you can start a conversation with other participants. There is no host in the session, so don't be surprised. This session is designed for free conversation among participants. As soon as the session starts, a countdown timer will begin, and the session will automatically end once the scheduled time is up. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the list of suggested questions to help guide the conversation if needed. Once the session ends, you can either join another upcoming session or review your grammar mistakes and suggested improvements on the review page. Feedback is not provided in real time. It takes at least 1 hour after the session for your feedback to be processed. We recommend checking it later or the next day. If you have trouble joining a session, especially on mobile devices, try accessing LangClub through Google Chrome for a smoother experience.